Welcome you all to the new video of real numbers. We have a question over here. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? Looking into the size of the sum, don't think that it is very difficult. It's a very easy sum. We will read it one more time. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? So here you can see that this is a sports field. We will consider this as a sports field. Now Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field. So we will represent S for Sonia and R for Ravi. It is given that Sonia will take 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time. So they are starting at the same point at the same time and they go in the same direction. Both of them are moving in the same direction. In that case, the question is, after how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? So from here, she will take 18 minutes to go around this field and Ravi takes 12 minutes. So surely the least common multiple of this 18 and 12 will be the minutes after they meet again at the starting point. So here given, Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field. Ravi takes 12 minutes to drive one round of the field. And they both start at the same point and at the same time and also go in the same direction. Therefore, the LCM of 18 and 12 gives the exact number of minutes after which they meet at the starting point. So, how to do the LCM? We learned that using fundamental theorem of arithmetic, we have to write 18 as a product of primes. So 2 into 3 squared and 12 can be written as 2 squared into 3. So LCM of 18 and 12 is 2 squared into 3 squared. That is, we have to take each prime factor and then we have to take its greatest power. So each prime factors are 2 and 3. 2 highest power is 2 only, and for this prime factor 3 highest power is 2. So 2 squared into 3 squared, which is equal to 36. That is, they will meet again at the starting point after 36 minutes. Here we have another question. A circular field has a circumference of 360 kilometers. Three cyclists start together and can cycle 48, 60 and 72 kilometers a day round the field. When will they meet again? So we have a circular field over here, and it is given that the circumference of the field is 360 kilometers. Now we will take the cyclist as A, B and C. It is given that A can cycle 48 kilometers per day, B can go 60 kilometers per day and C can go 72 kilometers per day. The question is, after how many days will they meet again? So first what we will do is, we will see the number of days A takes to go round the field. That is 360 by 48, which is equal to 7.5 days. For B, it is 360 by 60, which is equal to 6 days. And for C, it is 360 by 72, which is equal to 5 days. So A takes 7.5 days to come to the starting position, and B takes 6 days and C takes 5 days, but they will keep on moving. But on some day they all will meet again. The question is, after how many days will they meet again? Therefore, the LCM of 7.5, 6, that is the least common multiple of 7.5, 6 and 5 will give the number of days these cyclists will meet again. For that, what here we are going to do is, this 7.5 we are going to multiply with 2 to make our LCM easy. Each and every number we are going to multiply by 2. So here we are getting the numbers 15, 12 and 10. And after that we will take the prime factorization, or we will do the prime factorization of each numbers. So 15 can be written as 3 into 5, 12 2 squared into 3, 10 2 into 5. After that we will take the LCM. LCM of 15, 12 and 10 is 2 squared. We have to take each prime factor and then we have to take its greatest power. So here 2 squared into 3 into 5 will be the LCM of 15, 12 and 10, which is equal to 60. So since we have multiplied with 2, here what we have to do is, we have to divide 60 by 2, that is 30. That means they all will meet again after 30 days. This is also an important sum. I hope you understood both the sums. Thank you.